XOOBAY Sellers Guidelines. Welcome to the XOOBAY cross-border e-commerce platform. We offer a streamlined and efficient service for global sellers. Below are the official procedures for registration, onboarding, product listing, and token usage. Registration process. 1. Required information for individual sellers. Personal identification. Upload a valid ID or passport, front and back, scanned copy, or photo. Bank account. Information. Provide detailed personal bank account information. Bank name, account holder's name, account number for receiving payments. Tax information. Depending on country regulations, a personal tax identification number may be required, optional. Contact information. Provide a registration email, phone number, and address. Email verification is required. Product information. Submit a product list with clear product descriptions and categories. Payment information. Must have an SU wallet and provide credit card or payment platform account information for transactions. Required information for business sellers. Business license. Upload a scanned copy or photocopy of the company's business license. Company bank account. Information. Provide detailed company bank account information, bank name, account holder's name, account number for receiving payments. Legal representative's identification. Upload the front and back scanned copy or photo of the legal representative's ID or passport. Tax information. Submit the company's tax registration certificate or tax number, optional. Company contact information. Provide the company's phone number, address, and registration email. Email verification is required. Brand authorization documents. If selling branded products, provide the brand authorization or certification. Product information. Submit a product list with detailed descriptions and categories. Some platforms may also require product certifications or qualifications. Payment information. Provide company credit card or payment platform account, or use XOO Wallet for payments. Store setup and product listing guidelines. Deposit amount. A deposit of $2,000 is required to open a store. Alternatively, $1,000 can be used to purchase XOO City land nodes. See Section 4. Other incentives and rewards. Adjustment mechanism. The deposit amount will be dynamically adjusted based on token price fluctuations. There's no need to add or subtract funds due to token price changes. Use of deposit. The deposit symbolizes store credibility and is not used for other expenditures. It can be refunded after the store is closed. Second, product listing and transaction fees. Fee. Standard. After store registration, 2,000 tokens are awarded as an opening bonus. These can be used to list products for sale. Each product listing costs 100 tokens. Discount option. Sellers can choose to pay 100 tokens to enjoy a 20% discount or pay 0.5 USD in cash. Transaction fees. The transaction fee is 8 to 10% of the product sale price. Global shipping service fee. Standard. Sellers can enjoy global free shipping for parcels weighing up to 1 kilogram by paying 2,000 tokens. This applies to all countries and regions. Logistics cooperation. Sellers can directly collaborate offline with third-party logistics providers. Token usage guide. Incentives and cashback purchase cashback. After each successful transaction, buyers will automatically receive a 50-token cashback, encouraging more purchases and promoting token circulation within the platform. Homepage ad space purchase fee. Standard. The cost of a one-week ad space is 20,000 tokens. For a month, it's 60,000 tokens. Ad value. Homepage ad spaces offer high exposure, ideal for promoting new products and sales events. Keyword ranking purchase fee. Standard. A one-week keyword ranking costs 10,000 tokens. For a month, it's 25,000 tokens. Keyword advantage. Boost your product's internal search ranking and increase its visibility. Fourth token for cash discounts. Discount limit. Up to 500 tokens can be used per purchase as a cash discount, balancing token use and ownership to prevent depreciation. IV. Other incentives and rewards. Purchase SuCity Land Nodes fee. Standard 1,000 USD can be used to purchase SuCity Land Nodes, such as Hong Kong Bronze Land. Value-added services. Land node purchasers are entitled to the following privileges: cross-border e-commerce platform store setup services, 1 month of free homepage ad space. Node association. The store will be displayed on the Hong Kong Metaverse map, increasing visibility and value through token and virtual land linkage. V. Other important notes. Compliance with XOOBAY policies. XOOBAY has a set of seller policies that require adherence to the following. Product compliance. The sale of counterfeit products, prohibited items, or unauthorized goods is strictly prohibited. Intellectual property protection. Respect the trademarks, patents, and copyrights of others, ensuring no intellectual property infringement. Customer service. Maintain high standards of customer service by promptly handling orders, returns, and customer issues. Seller performance. Maintain good seller ratings and performance metrics, including low order defect rates and timely shipping. XOOBAY offers sellers a wide range of features and favorable policies, helping all users expand their business in the global market while also gaining additional incentives and discounts through the token system.